Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you some new dolls from Alinecutle store. So first up is this cute little girl. It's the Happy Dancing Girl in the Rain. Comes with the body, the dress, and the hair. So everything comes packaged as one. As well as this set right here comes with the umbrella, the raindrops, and a fence. And this is the card inspiration. I have two girls holding hands and dancing in the rain. So it says, don't hide in the storm, dance in the rain. So you can come up with so many ideas for this. I even thought about jumping rope because they're skipping. So really fun card and the perfect sentiment for this card set or die set. So there's that, and now they have shoes, so I just wanted to show you that. So many actions that you can do with this set right here. So I also wanted to point out that this is the original body and the feet are different, and this is the new body, and the arms bend now where they can hold things, and the feet now are different. So I just wanted to show you the differences because now the outfits have boots that you can put on them. So if you choose not to buy a new body, I'm going to show you a tip if you do decide to buy the outfits with the shoes and how you get the shoes to fit. It's really up to you. Just so you know, the shoes do not fit the original body, so you should buy a new body because of the bendable arms. And I'll show you how it does not fit and why it's important to buy the new body. So here is the shoe for the new foot. And if you tried to put it on the old foot, there's an overlap. So you would have to take a pair of scissors and cut it. So that's why you need the new set in order to get it to fit. So just so you know that those shoes do not fit the old foot. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you that, and now I'm going to share with you that there's a new set, and it was inspired by my recipe cards with the baking girls. So there's now a Chef Boy and Chef Girl set. She liked my idea and she came out with a set. I guess you guys messaged her about that and she created that. So thank you so much for that, creating that based on my idea. So this is the set and how it looks, and I'll share with you the pieces that come with it. There's an ice cream cone as well as a turkey and teapot, and there's like cooking utensils and teacups and stuff like that they can hold now. There is no rolling pin. I had this from a previous set, and there's no cupcake, but I thought it looks cute to have cupcakes on the platter. So, and there's also no oven mitt. I just had the oven mitt from something else. But this is how it looks and how I decorated my sets. This is how the baker sets look with the chef hat. Comes with pants, and then as you can see, the boots. And if you want to get a close-up look of the boots, that's how it looks. And that's how the girls look with the hats and the outfits, so you can interchange everything. So here's another one. And what I did was I used the hair from the previous set and, you know, to change the character, you know, to make them all different. Same thing with her. I just changed her ponytail. So that's how that one looks. And if you need to know the memory decks card I use this set right here. And here's some of my Baker Boys. And this is how he looks. holding the cupcake on a platter. And then this is the one with glasses. He's holding an ice cream cone. He's holding a cupcake, and then I put the boots on all of them. Alright, and then here's the girl with the outfit and her hairstyle. And then I'll share with you all my girls. So this is how she looks with her hair. And then she's holding an ice cream cone, and then that's her style shoe or boot. And then I did put her on a card, and I used a different style hair, and I used the tiny little alphabet set. It looks like this. And then I used this little doily, and I'll share with you the hairstyle I used from that, as well as the nesting set. So that's how I came up with this card. So here's the hairstyle I used from this set, and there's the outfit, and it comes with a headband and some ribbons or bows or whatever. And then here's the nesting set that I used for the background. And then here's the little doily that I popped her up on right here. So that's what I used. So here's all my little girls that I created with that outfit for the, I don't know if it's an apron or a dress, but this is how they look with the ice cream cone or a cupcake. And again, the cupcake does not come with the set, but I thought it would look cute with a cupcake. And here's her with a different ponytail. So that's my video share for today. Hope you were inspired. Again, this was inspired by my previous video of the girls on the recipe cards. So thank you so much for creating this set. And now you can add more accessories to your recipe cards and do that theme. So I hope you were inspired. I will put the links in the description box below if you want to pick up these sets and make some recipe cards or make some really sweet cards, you know, for Valentine's Day. So take care and have a fabulous day.